This is section 6 to 1.2 muscular system. Muscles are required to contract in many different ways, some small contractions to very large muscle contractions. Some of the small muscle contractions include just keeping the right posture when sitting down or standing up. However, some of the large muscle contractions can happen in your quadriceps and hamstrings when you go to kick a football. The isometric, there are four different types. It only said three in the guidance sheet, but it also said isokinetic, so I'm going to do that anyway, just in case. Isometric muscle contraction is muscle tension without a change in muscle length. The tension is in the cross bridges is equal to the resistive force, thereby maintaining a constant muscle length. An example of an isometric muscle contraction would be carrying an object in front of you. The weight of the object, let's say 20 newtons, is pulling you downwards, but your hands and arms would be opposing the motion 20 newtons up. So that equals out the force. Since your arms are neither raising or lowering, your biceps will be isometrically contracting. Concentric muscle contractions involves the shortening of the muscles with the movement of the origin and insertion. When a muscle is activated or required to lift a load, which is less than maximum tetanic tension, it can generate the muscle begins to shorten. Contractions that permit the muscle to shorten are referred to as concentric contractions. An example of a concentric traction is raising a weight during a bicep curl. Eccentric contractions occur when the total length of the muscle increases as tension is produced. For example, the lowering phase of a biceps curl is an eccentric contraction. The isokinetic muscle contraction is one in which a muscle shortens as it contracts. Isokinetic contractions are similar to isotonic in that the muscle changes length during the contractions. Where they differ is that isokinetic contractions produce movements at a constant speed. That is that for types of muscle contractions, and this should be the end of types of muscle of the 1.2 muscular system. I hope you have enjoyed. Probably not been the most fun, but had to do it anyway. Thank you for listening.